Hi, this is Alex from Pandectes. I've gathered the following playlist that contain actions which you have to take with Pandectes or with your Shopify store in order to make you compliant with CCPA regulations. Following these steps is going to make you 100% compliant with the Californian law, but also compliant in other states like Virginia, Colorado, Connecticut, and Utah. Now, in the case that you are also selling to the EU or the UK, I recommend you follow the GDPR playlist. That playlist contains all of the settings that you have to make in order to be GDPR compliant. If you only sell to the US or countries outside of Europe, then this playlist is for you. I will give you a brief overview of all the steps that you have to take in order to make you CCPA compliant. First of all, we have to choose a banner type for CCPA. We're going to set up Shopify's customer privacy. The third thing that we are going to set up is Google Consent Mode v2. It is the same video as in the GDPR compliance tutorial. Note that in the video I say that you have to use a strict banner. Since you are in the US or outside of Europe, it is okay to use a loose banner with Google Consent Mode v2. So note that when you're setting it up. After that, there's a tutorial for setting up the Autoblocker in Pandectes. After this, we're going to add a cookie declaration page. It is a page that has all of the cookies that are on your store listed with their respective categories. We're going to talk more about it in the video. Another mandatory part of becoming CCPA compliant is giving your users the option to opt out of their data being sold. We are going to add a Do Not Sell My Data page to your store. Next, I will show you how to add a customer data requests page, which is very important for CCPA compliance. And in the final step, I will show you how to get a really high acceptance rate on your cookie banner. So let's not waste any more time and get right into setting up your store.